I'm going to see if I can trim that up a little bit without taking it off the car.
Alright, got the mirror adjuster cut out, cut along there and right through there. And you cut that metal piece, that metal rod that comes down, the little pieces that'll come out, and you can just cut this little bit of plastic. And then that just leaves the little bit of the adjuster on the inside. And the rod just pushed through from the inside to the out. Just be careful, there'll be a little bit of shaves there from where you cut this.
Today I'm going to take this OEM mirror and turn it into a block-off plate.
Step 1, cut off the hacksaw.
Alright, got the bulk of the material cut off with this cut-off tool. I'm going to hit the belt sander and try and get a little bit closer. Alright, just got done with it on the belt sander. Figured I'd stop there. Starting to get into it a little bit. Alright, still working on the mirror delete plate here. After I cut the plastic off the front, I put some short strand fiberglass filler in the void. I taped off this back side, and I don't know if you can see it, but I put a little roll of tape in there and a little bit of tape in there so all the filler wouldn't want to go over into here. Just press it down in there and make sure there's enough to where it's coming out of the bottom. Alright, on the front I had to sand down the fiberglass filler. Then I put a coat of regular filler over top of it, and then I put a sealer on it, a primer sealer. I didn't reuse an OEM gasket because I didn't have a good one, so just put a little bit of weather stripping on the back there. Alright, the block off is done and on the car. Alright, for the passenger side, just using the OEM block off plate. Only thing I did was clean up the old weather strip and put some new on. Alright, one quick note, I had to pull the door panel on the passenger side to get to these screws for the block off plate. Alright, and I got one of the interior block off plates off a car with power mirrors.